Hi, welcome back to another video on Bloom Fox's Adventures with Little Kitty. If you want to wonder, the Little Kitty's Navia and Bloom Fox's Adventures and plush. So yeah, I'm thinking of keeping this as my fit, but I think I prefer the kitty, but I really love this fit. Yeah. It's like a red panda, and red pandas are my favourite animal. So let's go check out the space update. Oh yeah, I got the new bundle. Oh, I did see that. So I got the chameleon. Got the chameleon. So anyways, let's go. Oh, what the heck? Oh, ship crash landed. It looks like I have to drive a bell, find the way out. What the? Ah! No! What's it? Get out. Bro! This sporty music. Hold up, give me a bag. I only have had a bag. Oh, hey, there's a bag stand over here. Yep. Oh. Now come on, Zingus, now camp out there. Come on, Zingus, now camp out there. Come on. What the? Oh. Is any of my friends Orlando? But I'm gonna be watching off offline just in case. Music box. I'm sorry, I had to go like this, but bye. Music box! He's gone. Let's see how much I get. Worth it. Ah! And he gave me a surprise. Boom. Be free! Be free! Anyway, that's going to end off this video, so